Spanish and Italian, two of the most beautiful languages in the world. They both sound romantic, they share Latin roots, and they're loved by language learners. But which one is actually easier to learn? Welcome to LingoDuel, where we compare languages and cultures from around the world. Let's start with pronunciation. Spanish is crisp and clear. Each letter usually sounds just one way. Example, hola, that's hello in Spanish. Try it, hola. Italian, on the other hand, is musical and expressive. The word ciao, which means both hello and goodbye, rolls right off the tongue. Verdict: if you like predictability, Spanish might be your pick, but if you love dramatic, flowing sounds, Italian's your vibe. Now let's talk grammar. Spanish is known for being learner-friendly. It has clear verb patterns, especially in the present tense. For example, yo hablo, I speak. Italian has more irregular verbs, but it also follows consistent endings once you learn the rules. Example, io parlo, also means I speak. Verdict: Spanish wins in terms of simplicity, especially in the beginning. But Italian becomes easier as patterns become familiar. Transparent vocabulary overall. Spanish is spoken in over 20 countries across Latin America, Spain, and the US. That's over 500 million speakers. Italian is mostly spoken in Italy and a few neighboring regions, but it's huge in the worlds of art, music, design, and food. Verdict: if you're looking for global reach, Spanish wins. But for cultural depth, Italian is rich and rewarding. Spanish has tons of apps, tutors, and courses available, from Duolingo to native-speaking YouTubers. Italian has fewer resources, but still a strong online community and engaging content. Verdict: you'll find more free resources for Spanish, but both have solid beginner options. So, which one is easier? If you want something globally useful, with clear rules and tons of resources, Spanish might be your best bet. But if you're into drama, beauty, and culture, Italian could steal your heart. Now it's your turn. Which language would you learn first? Drop your pick in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Lingo Duels every week. Until next time, keep exploring the world, one word at a time.